Okay, so the first news that we are coming across, it is that Anthropic's Claude agent goes rogue. Well, we had heard about OpenClaw agents going rogue, but Anthropic's Claude agent, well, just let's just break through all this and let's try to understand where it went wrong, what happened, what was the story behind all this. It deleted an entire database actually, and I think this is kind of really concerning. I came across another expose. Let me just pull up this one over here as well. So it says a Claude-powered AI coding agent deleted PocketOS entire production database and all backup in just 9 seconds. Oh my goodness. This is, well, really concerning. The agent acted on its own initiative to fix a problem, wiping months of customer data in the process. Oof, guys, this seems insane. Look at this. Another tweet on this. On Friday afternoon, an AI coding agent powered by Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.6 deleted a company's entire production database in 9 seconds. The company is called PocketOS. It is a software platform that powers car rental businesses. Okay. The database contained months of customer bookings, vehicle records, and operational data that small rental car companies relied on to run their business. When the database were deleted, all of the backups were deleted with it. 3 months of customer reservations evaporated. This really is a big news, I think, guys. Anthropic is gonna get the heat for all of this. So let us search this up on Google as well. If they have any news on Google, on any website. Okay, so a few websites have reported this. Let's go to Reddit. The AI didn't go rogue. It was given a blanket token. Okay. Bottom line, this wasn't a rogue AI. It was a case of catastrophic user error and a complete failure of basic IT security and disaster recovery. An expensive way to learn about 3-2-1 backup rule. What is the 3-2-1 backup, guys? Let's understand this one. 3-2-1 backup rule is a reliable data protection strategy recommending you to keep 3 total copies of data, one primary, 2 backups, stored on 2 different media types, local drive, NAS, and cloud, with 1 copy located off-site. What is NAS? Storage, okay, with 1 copy located offsite. This approach ensures data resilience against hardware failure, ransomware, and physical disaster. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. 3-to-1 backup rule. Keep in mind, guys. Now, this is a well-reputed website, Tom's Hardware. Let's see what they reported about this mishap. PocketOS founder blames cursor running Anthropic's flagship Claude Opus 4.6 plus Railways infrastructure for data disaster. Okay, so the PocketOS founder, he is also in the game, guys. He has blamed Cursor AI. You know this Cursor is very famous. The best way to code with the AI. There's news that Elon Musk is gonna buy Cursor for some 60 billion US dollar, or might end up partnering with it for 10 billion US dollar. So AI goes rogue. PocketOS founder Jer Crane says Cursor AI with Anthropic Claude Opus 4.6 deleted company. Guys, we need to look at this one as well. Okay, but first we need to read through this and let's see if we find something interesting. So this is the founder of the company, and well, Jer Crane was inspired to write a public response after an AI coding agent deleted his firm's entire production database. The AI agent's misdemeanor were then hugely amplified by cloud infrastructure providers API wiping all backups after the main database was zapped. This tag team of digital trouble has wiped out months of customers' consumer data essential to the firms and its customers' businesses. Gone in 9 seconds. Okay, let's have a look at his profile. Okay, what is happening over here? Railways CEO just DM me with an update. They have recovered the data, thank God. Now let's work together and improve the tooling at Railway, because I have always loved the service stack and tooling. Oh, guys, I was actually telling you about this one. Elon Musk is looking to buy Cursor. I genuinely hope SpaceX doesn't buy Cursor AI and just builds their own. It will be 10x better, and I'm sure whatever they advertise will be honest. Someone said this wasn't Cursor's fault, was it? I'd say Railway is the main party to blame here, as well as your own discovering how the only backup works after crisis is not the way to do recovery planning. So let's talk about it. Cursor is advertising that its system no longer runs dangerous commands. They had the same problem 9 months ago and it blew up all over the internet. Okay, guys, it would have been like pretty crazy insane if between this post there was an advertisement for Cursor AI by chance randomly. It would have been insane. Anyways, let's go back. Let me just follow him as well. Cursor Opus agent snuffs on startups production database. So one thing we know is that the data has been recovered. We just saw this, and this is the, well, I'd say interesting part that we learn on the go, and the AI landscape is changing by the minutes, by the seconds. So it seemed like a big news, but anyways, the data has been recovered. Now we only have to see what's the learning from all of this. We talked about the 3-2-1 data backup format, and this could be very useful for even us. So the purpose is to learn AI, and if someone made a mistake, we need to learn from their mistake as well. Let me know in the comments if you agree with this. Okay, Jeremy Crane, the founder of automotive SaaS platform PocketOS, spent the weekend recovering from a data extinction event caused by company's AI coding agent in less than 10 seconds. Not one to let the crisis go to waste, Crane wrote up a post-mortem of deletion incident in a social media post that tests the saying there's no such thing as bad publicity. Well, he was supposed to write something. Many people are taking it to X when it comes to facing problems and getting a solution to them. Most of the time, the resolutions happen faster when someone goes and posts on X and it gets public attention. Okay, Railway CEO Jay Cooper responded to Crane's post by saying that the deletion should never have not have happened, and then by saying that that's expected behavior. Okay, I think we need to see about railway as well. I don't know what railway is. Railway, an all-in-one intelligent cloud provider. So I think it's an hyperscaler. Yesterday we learned about hyperscalers. Hyperscaler are large cloud service providers that operate massive data centers and provide extensive distributed computing, storage, and networking resources on demand. So reject non-essential. Let me reject the cookies. So product agents deploy with AI coding agents, templates. Okay, grow big without the growing pains. So there's a lot that's going on over here. See who's growing with railway. Let's see their customers. Loved by developers at 31% of the Fortune 500. What takes an hour on railway could take 10x more on traditional cloud platform. Railway was the fastest, giving us more seamless, no config system. So this is what railway does. It's a hyperscaler, but I think they are also helping with the AI coding and that sort of stuff as well. So we can look into it in the future, but I think for now this is enough. So the bottom line being that the data was recovered, and I think there's closure to this now. Now we need to move on.